Next level exercises for men of 22 to 35 years. Are you ready? Let's do the exercises. Exercise number 1, Adductor Stretch. 2, Instructions. Begin by sitting with legs spread wide. Lean forward from your hips, reaching toward the floor. Hold the stretch for at least 30 seconds, feeling a gentle pull along the inner thighs. Repeat on the opposite side. Gradually increase the duration as flexibility improves. Benefits: the Adductor Stretch 2 not only enhances flexibility but also promotes better hip mobility. This advanced stretch is crucial for preventing groin injuries, improving athletic performance, and maintaining overall lower body suppleness for men aged 22 to 35. Exercise number 2, Bridge Pose. Instructions: lie on your back, bend your knees, and place feet hip-width apart. Press through your heels, lifting your hips towards the ceiling. Hold for 60 seconds, engaging your core and squeezing your glutes throughout. Benefits: the bridge pose is a powerhouse exercise. It strengthens the core, glutes, and lower back, fostering better stability in posture. For men aged 22 to 35, incorporating this pose enhances overall strength, making it an essential component of any well-rounded fitness routine. Exercise number 3, Briskly Walking, 360 degrees. Instructions: engage in brisk walking, gradually progressing into a 360-degree circle. Maintain a steady pace, ensuring both arms swing naturally. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes, gradually increasing duration. Benefits: briskly walking, 360 degrees, is a fantastic cardiovascular booster, aiding in calorie burn and endurance building. For men aged 22 to 35, integrating brisk walking into the routine enhances cardiovascular health, making daily activities more manageable and enjoyable. Exercise number 4, Cardio Lunge. Instructions: perform lunges by stepping forward, alternating legs. Add a cardio element by increasing the pace. Keep a straight back and engage your core throughout the movement. Benefits: the cardio lunge is ideal for men aged 22 to 35 looking to elevate their workout. This exercise not only enhances lower body strength but also improves cardiovascular fitness, contributing to a more efficient fat-burning process and overall physical resilience. Exercise number 5, Cocoon's Waist. Instructions: lie on your back, bring your knees to your chest, and simultaneously extend your arms towards your feet. Hold the position briefly before returning to the starting position. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. Exercise number 6, Cocoon's Waist. Instructions: lie on your back, bring your knees to your chest, and simultaneously extend your arms towards your feet. Hold the position briefly before returning to the starting position. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. Benefits: Cocoon's Waist is a versatile exercise that engages the entire core, enhancing abdominal strength and flexibility. For men aged 22 to 35, incorporating this exercise into the routine contributes to a stronger and more toned midsection, supporting overall fitness goals.